We're in the bird enclosure, Cartagena, Colombia, looking at a toucan. Hold on. Beautiful bill you've got. Lovely toucan. Oh, we're having a snack. Yes, we are. Looks like nice papaya.
Okay, they were just parading with the songs and quieted as soon as I came around. Well, nice flamingos. Gorgeous.
Ya de ahí no sé por qué. Bueno, Peter